How to connect the Ultrapods Max, the wireless 5.4 version, this model here in particular, with a Android phone running Android 14. So before trying to go into the settings of your phone, you want to make sure these have some battery life in them. Also make sure they are not connected to another device, as when you take them out of the case, they will simply reconnect to that previously paired device. Then the next thing you want to do now is make sure you take them out together at the same time. So you want to pull them apart like this here. And what's going to happen is they will sync into each other. Then the left one will enter into a blue-red flashing light. That means it's now in the pairing mode state. Then while it's doing that here, you'll now go into your Android phone. This here is a Pixel phone running Android 14. You'll use the quick access and you're looking for the Bluetooth toggle, this one right here. So long press it, that'll give you this view mode here. And you want to tap on pair new device. So when you do that, that's going to turn on the Bluetooth settings and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. So these in particular are going to be named as TWS. They're not going to show up as Ultrapods, they'll show up as TWS. And when you see it, you'll tap on it one time, it'll say pairing. Then you'll notice the pairing requests. And as I press pair, you will see that it's going to give you the battery percentage and also the lights are no longer blinking. And on top of that, also you can tap on the settings here. You see the setting icon here? That will give you some options, such as if you have your phone updated or your phone has the spatial audio feature, you can also enable it for calls and media if you're not hearing anything. And that is basically it for this video tutorial. And if this guide helped you, like and sub.